What's up, Flowstar fam? My name is Jonathan, and today I'm going to show you how to do the behind the head shoulder roll. And it does go from both ways. So the first thing you're going to need to know is this reverse vertical 8. So you're going to start on the first beat's going to be behind, and the second beat's going to be in front of you. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and then on that second beat, before you're going back to 1, you're just going to throw it over your shoulder. So 1, 2, and then throw it over. And then when you catch it, you'll be doing like the penguin grip, but just up by your shoulder. 1, 2, and then catch it. Going from the other way, it's the same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then launch it over. And it's the same grip on the other side as well. A fun way to drill this trick is when you throw it over your back, you could just do behind the back pass and just keep it going. And then when you're ready to switch it, you could do it from the other side as well, and just behind your back and keep throwing it like that until you get it down. If this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.